Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4 here in Fort Myers, Florida. I'm playing with yummy colors. I'm playing with a wonderful yummy technique which is becoming one of my favorites. A traveling ring pour with negative space. Why negative space? Well, I love acrylic pouring, but it can be very, very busy, and negative space does two things for me. It calms that busyness down and it gives your eyeballs a place to rest. And I love my negative space. I think it's equally as important and part of the composition. We're working today on a 12 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas bought at Michael's on sale, don't you know? And we're working with yummy colors. Let's talk about our flow extender. Why is it called a flow extender? Because you put it around your pour or you put it down as kind of a base coat. I use it as my runway is what I call it. I create the space that I want my ring pour to travel down, and it helps me contain that composition a little bit. Now, our base coat or our flow extender is generally a little thinner than my pour paints. It's just easier for me to manipulate when it is. This is slop bucket paint, this bunch of different blues. I doctored it up a little bit, added some GAC 800, added a little more of the golden fluids and the turquoise to it, and it made a absolutely lovely shade of blue. Our other colors are delicious. Decoart metallics in the 24 karat gold. A little bossy. When you see me pour it in the cup, I go easy with it, or it'll creep into your bedroom at night while you're sleeping. Oh, my favorite. And I'm so happy that I stocked up on this. Golden fluid acrylics, the Q word in the nickel azo gold. Oh, excuse me, I got that wrong. This is the golden fluids in the burnt sienna, one of the most underused paints. Beautiful, warm, earthy. I love it. Burnt sienna. This is the Q word in the nickel azo gold. And probably one of the prettiest turquoises out there. Golden fluid turquoise. And a little satin enamel, but the neutral beige. When I'm using my blues and my coppers, sometimes a white is too in your face for me. So I use the neutral beige. You still get some wonderful effects. Neutral beige, satin enamel, Decoart. All of our paints today got a big healthy squeeze of GAC 800. A splash of my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex Pouring Medium, the one with the black and gray label, and then Owatrol to thicken it up. A little less Owatrol in the medium body paints, a little more Owatrol in the high pigmented fluid paints until we got them all to the same consistency. Kind of like cake batter. It leaves a fold on a fold on a fold. Let's look at the gold. Might be a little bit easier to see, guys. Thick paints. When I'm doing my ring pours, I like them thick. It slows that pours. It slows that motion down when you're tilting, gives you more time to get your composition intact, and it takes a little bit longer, and I'm okay with that. The longer it takes, the happier I am, guys. So let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
days they go shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you. My feelings for you, and I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Oh, leaves change their color and fall is closing in. Break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down. Change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you. My feelings for you.